Hello friends, today I'm going to share this simple recipe of making ready to make tamarind chili paste. This paste once prepared can be used for any other recipes, be it vegetarian or non-vegetarian. To get started with, I'm taking 2 ball size tamarind and boiling it for 5 minutes with a little bit of water. We're doing this process just to soften the tamarind so that it can be easy to grind the tamarinds well with the other ingredients. Make sure you take out all the tamarind seeds in case if there is any and allow it to cool down for a while. Now we're going to take some homemade fried coriander seeds along with some salt and turmeric powder and make a fine powder out of it with the help of a mixer grinder. Transfer this powder into a different container or a plate and now blend the tamarind into a smooth paste. Once the tamarind paste is ready, add 1 full cup of red chilli powder to it. You can also use dry red chillies instead of the red chilli powder. Along with the coriander seeds powder, blend them all together and make a fine even paste out of it. Red chilli tamarind paste is now ready to use. You can easily store this paste in an airtight container and refrigerate it for 10 to 15 days and use it for any of your recipes, be it vegetarian or non-vegetarian recipes. Thanks for watching this video and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe my channel for more such videos.